Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Harish Explains in English YouTube channel. Please do subscribe to this channel. And today's chapter we are going to discuss is coordinate geometry chapter. And in this chapter there are few topics. The introduction to coordinate. Let us discuss the complete introduction of the topics involved in coordinate geometry. So first topic is finding the distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. Okay. And second topic is section formula. Next, third topic is finding the midpoint of a line joined by any 2 points given. Okay, if they give 2 points, then we have to find the midpoint of a line joined by those 2 points. So we can easily find out the midpoint. And next one is finding area of a triangle when vertices are given. See, vertices implies A, B, C, right? Some name of a triangle is ABC. A, B, C are vertices. So what they'll give is they'll give coordinate x and y coordinates, x1, y1, x2, y2. They'll give the coordinates, then we have to find the area. Next, fifth one is centroid. Centroid is a point formed by intersection of, we'll discuss about centroid, but this is a point finally, right? So for finding this point, they'll give 3 vertices, then we have to find the centroid. So there is a simple formula, and we will discuss the formula of this centroid in coordinate geometry. And one more is area of a triangle when 3 vertices are given using Heron's formula. Okay, these two topics aim is area, finding the area, but there is a slight difference between these two, so we'll discuss about that. And the last one is finding the slope of a line. Okay, slope of a line when 2 points on the line are given. So these are the topics we'll discuss in coordinate geometry chapter. But these topics, if you understand the depth of this topic and the meaning of these topics, you can crack complete straight lines, pair of straight lines coming in near future. You will be facing straight lines, pair of straight lines, and everything related to slope, related to area, related to center, related to distance. See, in competitive exams, they will not give find distance between 2 points. They'll give they'll embed 2 topics, not only coordinate geometry. They can embed trigonometry into coordinate geometry, and they can see competitive exam is like that. So they'll mix 2 to 3 topics. See, if you are perfect in every topic, then only you can score that question or that mark. So these are the basics to move on towards your coordinate geometry, straight lines, pair of straight lines. So be thorough with these topics, and do watch Harish Explains YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and please do subscribe Harish Explains in English.